Welcome back, guys. Today I am using the new color layering Tulip stencils from Hero Arts, and I am inking up it comes with four stencils. The first stencil I am inking up using ballerina ink from Close to My Heart, and I'm also using one of my um, the blending brushes. And I'm telling you guys, I just love the look of how this image come out with these layering stencils. It makes creating layered images so easy. So next, I am going to go over with the second stencil using the flamingo ink from Close to My Heart. And I'm just using some mint tape by scrapbook.com to hold down my stencil. This is so cute. There's also a matching die set and a stamp set from Hero Arts that goes along with this stencil. So it comes as a full set, but you have to buy it separately. And so next, I'm going to be using some Stampin' Up! Ink that's in my stash. For the leaves, I'm going to be using Soft Succulent, and I'm using Just Jade. And so here I'm just lining up where the leaves are to go. This really makes stenciling so easy. I have another set from Hero Arts, and then I have some from scrapbook.com. But the look that you get after you finish all of your stenciling is so beautiful. Like, look at that. That is absolutely pretty. And that's the Soft Succulent from Stamping Up. And now I'm using Just Jade. And for some reason, I kept forgetting to add on my stencils before I inked up my blending brush. Okay, now let's do the reveal of how our image is going to look. And look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so next I'm going to start die cutting. I'm going to use the coordinating die set to cut out our image. And I'm also going to put some mint tape down here just to help keep the die in place. And I'm also going to do some embossing. I have an older embossing folder from Stamping Up that I'm going to be using. Now look at how that die cuts. Really pretty. I know if you guys hear very pretty one more time, you're probably going to lose your mind. But yeah, so here I am now doing the embossing. And this just adds, the embossing folders just adds some extra texture to your cards. And so now we're going to start adhering our card together. Now for the sentiment on this card, I did some heat foiling. I recently got a glimmer machine for my birthday. My birthday is actually coming up, so I bought it for myself for my birthday. And so I've been practicing doing heat foiling with sentiment. So I just grabbed one that I did to add to the card. And this one says on your special day. and which I enjoy because this could be for birthday, a wedding, an anniversary, anything that you pretty much want it to be for. Okay, I think I was looking for my liquid adhesive and I have no idea. I've been trying to redo my craft room because right now it's just not functional. And so I kind of have things all out of place right now. But look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So, and then we're going to also adhere that on. And I just want to thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get some more tips and card ideas. Oh, I forgot. I also use some color pop from scrapbook.com, and this is a pearl for some added embellishments. So I really wanted to keep the card simple. So thank you so much for joining me today.